Hello everyone, I am Ashwini. Welcome back on my channel. Today we will see the line and clustered column chart in Power BI, and we'll understand what is line and clustered column chart in Power BI and when to use it. Okay, so the line and clustered column chart is the chart which is the combination of the line chart and the column chart in the in together mode in one visual, we can say. And when we have to use it, so for making the very quick comparison between two sets of measures, and it shows the categories in the side by side bars. Okay, so let's see it in the Power BI desktop, like how to create it. So for creating this particular visual, we have to go over here, line and clustered column chart. After clicking here, we'll get this in our page. So after getting this particular visual, we'll have to add the fields in this section. So we'll take the product category in the shared axis, and in the column series, we can take any legend, like we can take the reason also, or we can take the ship mode. Okay, so in ship mode, there is two modes. So we can say this is the legend only. The column series is nothing but the legend. Okay, so in the column values, we can take the discount, and in the line values, we can take the sales. Okay, so this particular bars showing the discount versus the regions and the this particular product category. Okay, so this will so this is the discount and sales by product category and region. So we are able to analyze this the sales and the discount in one visual by using this line and clustered column chart. So the difference between this line stacked column chart and the line and clustered column chart is nothing but in this clustered columns we'll get this side by side bars. Okay, and in this stacked column chart we'll get this in the one on the top of other. Okay, so for that you need to see my previous video. I have shared that also. So in this particular visual, if we have to format it, so we can format it from this option. So same, we can set the position from here. We can set the position for legend from here, as we are having region as our legend center. So there are five regions: central, east, south, west, and the cells. So these colors are differentiating them, and we can set that particular region in the center or in the top, on the bottom, anywhere from this option. Okay, so this is for setting the x-axis and the y-axis as we want. This like if we can on this particular zoom slicer, so we can able to zoom it by using this strip. Okay, so this will zoom our visual. Okay, so in this way we can zoom it. And the next is the data color. So from here we can add different color also. We can change these colors for the particular regions, and this cells, this line also. Okay, so by after on this particular data label option, we'll get the data labels on our screen. This is for the shade area. So after on this shade area, we'll get this portion as the shaded. Okay, so the next is for the plot area. So from this we will able to set the background image for this particular visual, and we can set the transparency accordingly. So this is for this adding the series labels over here, and this is for the title. So from here we can add the title name. So this is our title name: discount and sales by the product category and the region. So this is the product category. So this office supplies for the central region is more than like it is giving the more discount by the other all bars. Okay, we can analyze this from this particular visual. So for this particular bar, The product category is the office supplies and the region is central and the discount percentage is 15.11. Okay. In this way, we can get the insight from this particular visual. And the next is for adding the background color in this particular visual. So we can add the background color from here and we can set the transparency accordingly. More is the transparency, the lesser of frontal is the color, and the less is the transparency, the darker in the color. Okay. This is for locking our visual, and this is for setting the border. This is for setting the shadow for this particular visual. And also we can add the tooltip style from here, and we can add the visual header. Like we can change uh, any style from this for this particular visual from this option. Okay. So we'll set the title, heading, and we can set the title color from here. We can align it. So, and we can increase the size from here. We can increase the title size. Okay. So this is like discount and sales by product category and region. So from this particular visual we are able to see the, like, from which region and from which product category we are uh, giving the more sales by giving this particular discount. Okay. So in this way we can create the line and clustered column chart in Power BI desktop. So next video we'll see on the ribbon chart. So we'll understand it in detail. Up to that, please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the more notification of my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching my video.